subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the problems of continuity. In this question, we have to check whether the given function is continuous or not. If discontinuous, then discontinuity is removable or not. And as compared to previous problem, this problem is quite difficult. The question is f of x is equal to 4 raised x minus e raised x upon 6 raised x minus 1, comma x not equal to 0 is equal to log of 2 upon 3, comma x equal to 0 at indicated point x equal to 0. So in this question, we have to check the given function f of x is continuous or not at x equal to 0. And secondly, if it is a discontinuous at x equal to 0, then the discontinuity is removable or not. Now let's see the solution. Given f of x is equal to log bracket 2 upon 3, comma x equal to 0. It means f of 0 is equal to log of 2 upon 3. Say equation 1. Now limit x tends to 0 f of x, that equal to limit x tends to 0. Now x tends to 0 means x not equal to 0. And in that case, f of x is defined as 4 raised x minus e raised x upon 6 raised x minus 1. So is equal to limit x tends to 0. In the numerator, we write 4 raised x minus 1 and then minus e raised x plus 1. It means we add and subtract 1 in the numerator. And the denominator 6 raised x minus 1 we write as it is. So that equal to limit x tends to 0. This we can write 4 raised x minus 1 in one bracket, and from third and fourth term we take minus sign common. So we get minus in bracket e raised x minus 1 upon 6 raised x minus 1 we write as it is. Now here we use the rules of limits, that limit x tends to 0 a raised x minus 1 upon x, that gives log a, and secondly limit x tends to 0 e raised x minus 1 upon x, that gives log e, means 1. So now to get limits rule, here we have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. So that equal to limit x tends to 0 4 raised x minus 1 upon x as a one limit, then minus limit x tends to 0 e raise x minus 1 upon x as a second limit in the numerator, and whole thing divided by limit x tends to 0 6 raise x minus 1 upon x as a third limit in the denominator. Now by using limits rule, first bracket gives answer log 4 minus second bracket gives answer log e upon third bracket gives answer log 6 in the denominator. Since log e means 1, so we have answer that log of 4 minus 1 upon log 6. Since log e means 1. So in this way we get limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to log of 4 minus 1 upon log of 6. Let us denote this as a equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we conclude that limit x tends to 0 f of x is not equal to f0, and therefore f of x is a discontinuous at x equal to 0. Now this discontinuity is removable by redefining the given problem as follows. F of x is equal to four raised x minus e raised x upon 6 raised x minus 1 comma x not equal to 0 and is equal to log 4 minus 1 upon log 6 comma x equal to 0 at indicated point x equal to 0. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.